Hey man, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Welcome people, Dancehall skilla there again. Big up, respect, manners to each and everyone. You see? Yeah, now before me say certain things, my people, I want you to look at this video right here on your screen. Yeah? I want to look at this video right here. Now, this video I recorded in Jamaica. This video shows a person in handcuffs who had been escorted by the police within the country of Jamaica to a certain location. See? Now, the video had been brought to my attention by someone, and I also got unconfirmed information about the video. But me is the kind of person, and all the time I like to give unconfirmed information. And before me tell any lies, I rather to ask questions. So, I'm asking you, my viewers and subscribers, to look at this video carefully and tell me, who do you think is that person who you can see in the video in handcuffs? Yeah. The person who you can see in the video in handcuffs, I would like you to tell me, who do you think is that person? Yeah, leave your comment or comments in the comment section of this video, my people. Because if that person is who I think that person is, yes, I say. Yeah, man, notice that the person I walk a certain way. There, the person I walk properly. Yes, I say. Yeah, you know, I don't want to jump to no conclusion. You understand? Yeah, because I get some information about a person who was involved in an altercation with police from the country of Jamaica. But I don't want to jump to no conclusion with people. You see me I say? Some people tell me who you think is that person we can see in the video in handcuffs. Alright? Yeah, and take notice of those words that I can see on the door in the video, my people. Alright? Anyways, I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I read more than one articles that claim that Bounty Killer responded to the whole situation where it is said that he did not attend Merciless' funeral. Merciless died earlier this year, the year 2022, viewers and subscribers, and his funeral had been held within the month of September, the year 2022, and quite a number of musicians from within the country of Jamaica did not attend Merciless' funeral, and quite a number of persons made comments on social media criticizing musicians or artists who did not attend Merciless' funeral. You understand? So, I see more than one articles about this whole situation, and those articles claim that Bounty Killer responded to that situation, you know, where it said that he did not attend. Yes, so me answer my people, and here's the thing about it now. See, one of those articles that I read is from a credible news source, viewers and subscribers, and a part of that article said that in a comment on Instagram, one user said they were expecting to see Bounty Killer and Beenie Man at the homegoing service. In my point of view, that's about Merciless' funeral. You see what I'm saying to you? So, another part of the same article said that in response to that fan, Bounty Killer said he did not attend the funeral as the service was more about celebrating Merciless' victory against him, Beenie Man, and Ninja Man. Other things have been said as well in the article, viewers and subscribers. Now, you see, the article mentioned Instagram, so I do some research to see if we can find that post or comment that have been made and the respond and so forth. But me no find it none at all. So me I say, so because me not see those words for myself on Instagram as to where this news article say, my people, because some things that have been said not only in this article but also in another article that I saw allegations about Bounty Killer. So until me see certain evidence, because certain things that have been said, allegations, viewers and subscribers. But here's the thing now, see? Listen up, because I'm going to read some words from this article that I think you, my viewers and subscribers, might find interesting. So listen this now. Now, these words are what one of those articles that I read claim that Bounty Killer made as comment or post on social media, some form of respond. Listen. Showed up when they are there celebrating Leonard's victory over us at Sting instead of his life. Did UNUH, I assume that means Uno, all saw the F word, grade of disrespect displayed there. Then Uno all was looking for us to come share our sympathy at the time. Uno favorite inappropriate word, soup. No ramp to the killer. That's on feisty. My people, what that mean though? Showed up when they are, you know, just that part there, the showed up part. What that mean? You know, that that I give any form of indication showed up. See it? That's why I say this whole thing, I consider these things as allegations. But my people, a lot of people are criticize Bounty Killer and Beanie Man and other musicians. Obviously, they can't criticize Ninja Man because when Ninja Man there. Can't say nothing about Vybz Kartel and certain artists either. You see me I say? Yeah, so the thing about it is now when you listen this part of this article right here, me nah go add nothing to it. Me I read it exactly as how me see it. Listen to this now. Listen carefully. A part of this article said that in an interview with Observer Online, Merciless manager Harvell Gaddafi Hart, while expressing regret at his own absence, singled out Bounty Killer, Beanie Man, Capleton and Sizzla for being no-shows at the event. Now my people, the party said while expressing regret at his own absence. What that tell you? I know, our sad topic still here, my people, Jano, but here what? May I ask you a question, see? Do you think that Bounty Killer and Beanie Man get the most criticism from people on social media when it comes down to musicians from within the country of Jamaica who did not attend Merciless funeral? Do you think so? Me never gonna talk about Ninja Man because Ninja Man incarcerated my people. So may I say, in my point of view, I think a lot of comments that are made on social media that is considered as criticism towards Bounty and Beanie Man are coming from the clash of one Sting. And you know which clash me I talk about my people. So I say, I mean, you know see the painting of the inside of the grave? Well, if you don't see it, I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video. And if I click that link will take you to a previous video that I post about Merciless funeral. My people, another thing I look on again to, you know, my people, Zine, and this is not even a joking thing because I don't know this whole thing is a serious thing. You understand? But I don't want every musician to just look on it this way. Just say Merciless gone home with that victory. Give him that. You see what I say? I mean, look at the circumstances. You know? Yeah, man. Just give him that. Him gone home with that victory. Mark as an icon. Mark as a moment that a lot of Jamaicans will never forget as long as them live. See me? This is something that might even continue for years on top of years. Even after our time. So may I say? Yeah man, Jamaica music industry lost an icon. You know? Yeah, my people. Don't go up say the things that when me say no really and truly get nobody vex, you know. You see me I say? Big up to all of the Bounty Killer fans, them big up to all of the musician them fans. You see me I say? Yeah, me not try to get anyone upset. You see? Just I get information as to how me get the information. Tell them my point of views in the most respectful way as me can. Yeah, you know what? I just me I left it now. Big up and respect to each and every one. Until next time, I'm in name Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.